Hulaan ko sino pupunta ng Disneyland Adventure.
Oo, dito tayo.
Malapit na Fairzox. Traffic lang. Hulaan kung sino ang nasa Disneyland. I mean, I've been into Disneylands before, pero kumang ko, I always get excited. This time, Disney Adventure kami, hindi kami Disneyland. Awkward. Awkward magsalita, daming tumitingin, girl. Ang mga person na ito ay papasok na Disneyland. Kahit ang lamig. Sino papasok na ng Disneyland Adventure? Tuwang-tuwa na parang bata. Ano naman? Dito kami. Si Harold Kid. Mag-ano yan ng ride. Excited na nga eh. May excited.
Sino excited din? Ikaw rin excited.
Gustong mag-ride ng sobrang magagandang matataas na rides.
So, makana yung roller coaster na hanggang
Let's
sa...
go!
Hanggang
This is
sa
the entrance. Let's go!
Paano mo nasabi?
Let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Entrance na kami.
Kamukha na now, sir. Talaga kamukha niya.
Thank you. Ticket. Scan mo yung ano. Have our ticket.
Scan ko ipapos.
Let's go. You'll have to scan yun. Okay, so, kikita na yun. Tuloy ang saya. Tara na. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Sabi niya, let's just show our tickets. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Nagkaroon ng problem kanina, but it's been resolved. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, can we go ahead? Thank you. Pwede daw. Is no one in here?
What to?
Love talaga tayo ni Lord. Lagi niya tayo pinagbibigyan talaga. Thank you, Lord. Ganon kami nagiyak. Pero... Ay, muntik lang naman. Muntik na naman. Okay. Bibili kami ng souvenir namin kasi kapag mamaya pa kami bumili, baka mamaya wala na kaming maabutan. Ang hinahanap namin ni Deti is yung crossbody bag ni Bianca. Crossbody bag.
Ay, parang gusto
Yung
ko.
storybook. Okay lang. Mid. Ayan.
Tapos sa susunod na Disneyland, Winnie the Pooh naman ako.
Nakakita ko ng Tinkerbell bag, pero it's not the bag that I'm looking for. Where is that bag? Tinkerbell bag? For this? Or, pwede rin to. Cute. Mickey Mouse bag. Oh my God. Ay, this. Right? Magkano?
I like it as well.
Magkano?
I think mga 16, 17.
Bibili muna ako ng bag bago ako bumili naman kami.
80.
Ito, ganda nito, oh. $79. Oh my God. Ay, this is cute. I need the bag. I need that bag. Pero wala pa siya. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita. I need that bag. I need that bag. I need to find that bag. Ay. So far, hindi ko pa siya nakikita. Let's check the other stores. Asan yung mga pamilya ko? Mga kapamilya ko. Ooh, nice bag. Pero, hindi talaga. Hindi siya yung hinahanap ko. Oh my God. Ano yan? That's cute. Ayan. Ang ganda pa. I am gonna buy jewelry kasi wala tayong pera pang jewelry. I need the bag.
Ito no.
Ito. I wanna check the other stores, Tibiki. My outfit for the day. I wanna check other stores. Check natin. Pag wala, iyak na lang ako. No. It's automatic. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go through that store. What is this? Thank you. Check. Oh, it's a cooking stuff, no? It's a cooking stuff. Saan ko kaya mabibili yun? Binili mo na? Binili mo na? Magkano?
90.
Magkano budget mo dito?
100. Wala na, ubos na.
Hinahanap ko to. 100 din budget ko dito. Yan, no? I'm vlogging. I've been vlogging since the day I got here.
Well, no, I just haven't gotten the chance to ask.
Yeah. I have viewers, you know? Where are the parents? Okay. Iikutin ko muna itong buong Disneyland na to bago ko siya makikita. We're in Disneyland.
Iyakan natin yan.
Pero ngayon, mag-enjoy ka muna kasi we're gonna ride.
Pero kailangan. Pero mamaya, kailangan mo talaga ako tulungan gawin.
Ay, ito may store! Let's check the store, oh.
Mamaya na.
No.
Sige, kailangan mo ako tulungan gawin ulit. Wala kang
Let's
choice.
see.
Wala kang choice. Kahit hindi ka marunong mag-code, okay lang.
Uy, pumasok sila talaga, girl.
Tara na, sabi na yan.
Okay, so, magra-ride muna kami bago kami kumain. Tapos, habang kumakain kami, syempre magtitingin ulit ng mga shopping, isa-shopping, kahit walang pira. Ano to, Tibi? Ano to? Ayaw niyo dito? Mikey, to the rescue!
No.
It's a red, oh. Okay, so far. Ito talaga.
Do I hear wind? Are you in the lab?
Pinaka-stressful, girl.
Oh, sorry. Is it recess? You're supposed to be testing upgrades to the suit.
Well, I'm out here.
You don't want to scrape a spider off the wall. And hey, have fun.
You got it, Mr. Stark. See you later. Okay, field testing. Here I come.
Papunta na.
Yes, Spidey to. Spidey.
Okay.
Yung ano, si Spidey.
Anong first ride? Grizzly? We're gonna ride the Grizzly
Doon
first.
mamaya sa web supply.
Then,
Yung store ng Spider-Man. Maganda.
I'll take you guys with me kung pwede. Na-stress kami!
Web
God.
suppliers.
Yun yung sasakyan namin.
Anong oras kailan natin?
We're gonna get wet. We're here.
Ano, pwede lang
Let's
tayo
go.
mag-ride once? Tsaka
Yun
kailangan
na.
natin maghintay ulit?
Parang ganun. Oh my God. We're here again. Okay.
Ang pangit ng ano.
Enter na kami. May fast pass ba dito? Okay. Nakaano talaga kami, naka-fast pass. Pero, this time, dito sa Grizzly River Run na to, wala. So, regular pass lang kami and saglit lang naman yung waiting time. Which should be fine.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God! Let's go!
Nare-remind ako ulit ng ano na yung Jurassic Park.
Ako din! Oh, mabilis ang outfit.
Unang-unang ride, basa ka kaagad. Hulas!
Balik to dapat
Ay,
Yeah, where's my other one though?
No, you don't have to switch seats. Sorry.
you don't have to switch.
Yeah,
All the way.
Would you be kind? You're gonna look, Jake. Would you be kind to share? Bye. Thank you. Kailangan na.
Ay, okay naman yun sa akin kasi double protected eh.
Inolviden.
Para kami
Inolviden na rusong.
Okay, lalamigin tayo. Good luck! Actually, ang init na nga eh.
Ang lamig din.
May heater din sila, may dryer sila dito.
Dryer sila.
Ang alam ko.
Pag wala, kailangan ka namin ano yan.
Let's hope, let's pray, let's go. Smile, Harold. Hindi naman siya basang-basa. Mama, yung isa basang-basa talaga. Oh!
Gulat na kayo kaagad.
Hindi tayo ready dito ah.
Ako ready na ako.
Hindi ko alam na mababasa pala tayo dito.
Baka mahulog cellphone mo pa.
Hindi ko na-expect na ito yung uunahin natin. Pero,
nyo.
ito kasi yung walang pila.
Sinasabi ko na sa inyo kanina eh. Baka tayo magkakasa tayo eh.
Dito kahit siguro nilas
Hindi
talaga
kasi
nila.
magpapatuyo tayo sa mga roller coaster.
Tama!
No,
Very
I went
cool.
to the one in Florida.
Ayun o.
Ayan na! Let's go! Let's go, let's go.
Bakit?
Okay. Yes! Ako yung mababasa! Hindi! Ako nakababasa! Ang lamig!
Okay lang.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Very cold, very cold.
Oh my God.
Let's go!
Ayun o. Oh, grabe. Bakit tayo roller coaster?
Yung cellphone mo ka, ha?
Let's go!
Oh my God. On us. Why are they peeing?
Oh my God! Ready na kayo?
Ba't ang ingay nyo?
Siyempre naman sa kanya!
Nakakabingi. Ayun na.
It's our makeup kasi! Sisiw to! Sisiw!
Ay, nakalimutan ko magdala ng panyo. Dapat nagdala tayo payong.
Ayun na.
Ayan na! Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ito na! Oh my God! Ayan na! Wala pa! Oh my
Ano ba itong upuan na to? Ano ba itong upuan na to?
Butas ba?
Oh my God! At least hindi mabaho yung tubig.
Ah, mahulog.
Alam mo, hulog na!
Papatay na ako.
Ayan na, girl.
Pasang-pasa ako na. Let's go! Ako mo yan lang.
Di ba?
They're gonna be stay. They're gonna see right through my shoulder.
You're gonna win, girl. You're nag-over. It's okay.
Sorry. Oh my God.
Toxic talaga to.
Kakainit.
Uy, mahulog.
Mahulog, girl.
Huwag mo ibaliktad! Huwag mo ibaliktad! Sakit na! Ang sakit ng bewang ko! Kaya ganun ako eh! Nabaligtad yung camera!
Wow, shit!
Oh my God!
Niloko pa rin.
Oh.
Wala rin natin nadaan.
Ganyan talaga ata.
Pinapatay talaga siya kapag may dadaan. Ay, may detection siya. Oo, kapag may dadaan ka.
Tapos nawalan si Nine-year-old. Nawalan si Nine-year-old. Guys, waterproof talaga to. Waterproof talaga yung makeup na to, girl.
Basahin ko ngayon.
Ako ata hindi. Bye.
I don't want to bring that.
Okay. Ang personist na to ay sasakay na sa Pixar Pier. Sa Incredicoaster.
Alam niyo yung
Let's go.
kinainom natin chocolate kanina, parang may coffee.
Meron talaga.
Ano ko eh. Parang kinakabahan ako eh.
Papunta na kami doon. Medyo mainit na siya. Pero yung init niya, bearable. Hindi yung katulad sa Pinas or baka immune na ako sa ganito. We're gonna ride that.
Meron bang ganyan sa isang
Can you guys see it? The roller coaster.
Hindi, yung doon sa Disney natin.
We're gonna ride.
Last time. Meron bang ganyan o wala?
Tapos,
Nung pumunta tayo ng Hong Kong, iba ba yung Disney dito? Walang ganon?
Naka-lightning lane na kami. Panghaba pa rin, girl. Pwede na, 10 minutes. Waiting time, 10 minutes. Height check.
Come on down, Barco's out, ready to go.
Let's go, Aaron!
Right hand side open, right hand side. Ready to go.
Okay, kinakabahan kami. Kasi pinainom niya ako ng kape. Kaya yan.
Your little one does not meet the 48-inch height requirement, unfortunately, would not be able to swim.
Malapit na kami.
Once again, the
Oh my God.
sister does have a very
First time ni Aaron! Let's go!
Your little one does not meet the height requirement, unfortunately, would not be able to
Oh my God.
experience this attraction.
Sige, ba't ang white ng camera?
Ewan ko din eh. Hindi na kasi ito yung pinaka-ano niya.
Contained inside its zipper compartment of your bag.
Sige, ang taba ko.
So at this time, if you have any water bottles, plastic, or metal inside,
Oh my God! Game na talaga to! 7! Wala yan! Hala! Kaya kabahan ng persons.
Kamuti, hindi tayo harapan.
I think it'll still be the same. Hala! Hala! Hala!
Si Tekla, naalala ko. Naalala ko si Tekla, dabla ka.
Oh my God! Stretchy! Parang laki mo. Okay. Okay. Hala, Sabia!
It was this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Crazy. Babies can be unpredictable.
Yeah, Mom. Oh my God. Oh my God, we're done. Oh my God.
Please remain seated until the coaster comes to a complete stop. Remember to gather your belongings.
Good. Good. I got it. Harold, palit na tayo para nakaganon ako. Hindi na sa'yo? Yan.
Hello. Ayaw ko na eh. Kailan lang ang project ko ulit. Hindi ko yawak na.
Are you scared?
Sige, takot na ako eh.
Halika.
Ayaw ko na makulit eh. Please. Alam ko gagawin ko,
Ay, no. Masakit yan.
Keep your eye on Jack Jack. No problem.
And the baby is gone.
Whoa. Hold on. Fudge. 5, 4, here we go again. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go.
Try na lang ako mag-lift sa sarili ko eh, para hindi ako tawad.
Thank goodness.
Okay. Mas malakas yung impact sa likod.
Sorry that got a little crazy. Babies can be unpredictable. Yeah, Mom. Super babies.
Please remain seated until the coaster comes to a complete stop. Remember to gather your
Ano to? Basta, umiikot siya na. Para siyang Ferris wheel. Pero, gumagalaw yung Ferris wheel. Damn. Hilo to te. Hilo talaga to. Nararamdaman niyo ba? Ako kasi ramdam ko na. Kinakabahan ako. Kapag malapit na talaga, no, kinakabahan na. Hindi. Feeling ko okay lang to. Hindi, kapag malapit na tayo sa ride, kinakabahan na. Hindi kanina pa ako kinakabahan. Okay. Papasok na ang persons. Oh my God. Babe, stop. Feeling ko mahihilo ako dito. Kasi paduyan siya eh.
May motion sickness bag.
Ha?
May motion sickness bag sa gilid.
Ay, okay, sige. Gore. Gorge talaga to. Thank you. Hey. Oh! Wow. Game na. Okay, nakagati yung sukahan, Daddy. Pakisabi, pakiabot na lang. May ano ako, may ano ako, takot ako sa heights talaga. Same. Basta tapos ano pa, gago. It's okay.
NANI?
It's okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine, but you just...
Oh my gosh.
Yoro!
Eric's just over there like...
Can you hold it? I'm having like a... chill now. Babe, I'm having like a...
Sinasabi ko mag-shut up kayo eh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
Oh my God. Okay, we're good.
Okay lang tayo na.
Ay, we're done na. We're done.
Di ba uulit o hindi?
Ayaw mo na. Oh my god. Okay na.
It's so loud, di ba?
Okay, we're done. Are we going again?
Again? Again? Stop the car! Stop the car!
Not bad. Just look down to make sure you're...
Ganito kasi mag-cope oh.
Alright.
Naglaway kaya ako?
Gawa sa camera.
Oo, gago.
Hindi ko kaya. Kami si Papa, hindi niya kaya talaga. Buti na lang, hindi sila sumakay.
I mean, meron naman silang hindi yung motion na eh.
Yan na. Binigyan ako ng isa.
Pangina, gago, wait lang. Wait lang, hindi ako ready. Hindi ako ready. Ay, lamig.
Uy, ano yung tulog na yun?
Sa akin, mahaba.
Ayoko tumingin sa likod, girl. Ayoko tumingin sa likod. Ayoko tumingin sa likod. Oh my God.
Normal.
Alam, sanggol ka pa. Think that you're a baby, you're in a rocking chair. This is
Oh,
just a plane.
it's like that one song where the cradle falls.
Wala na, na-contemplate ko na buong buhay ko. Ang tagal.
2.2.
So, right na papunta kami sa resto. We're gonna eat and then after that, pipila ulit kami. Tapos siguro, basta, doon. Grab. Okay. So, bagong ride na naman to. Kumain na kami. This one is a new ride na.
Mukha akong mataba sa camera mo.
Talaga. We're just waiting for the line to move. Hindi ako na... Oh! Si Mama! Ay, baby. Ano sabi ni Mama? Kaya ba? Kaya ko pa ka?
A few moments later.
Wait. Si Mama.
And step on out.
Sa braso, be. Okay lang. Hindi siya nakakatakot. For funsies lang. For funsies.
Sige, ayusin mo naman yung camera. Mas sobrang taba natin sa itsura.
Ay, magreklamo ka pa, girl.
Yeah.
Ngayon, saan tayo, Tibiyang?
Pipila lang tayo for 130 minutes.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Nakapila?
Yes.
Nakapila lang.
Kung ano pa yung maganda, alam nyo yun? Kung ano pa yung maganda,
Bago
yun pa
tayo
yung walang
maghintay,
fast
magano muna
pass.
tayo. Ibang ride muna
God.
tayo habang naghihintay.
Carsland kami.
Nasa
Carsland.
Radiator Springs tayo.
Radiator Springs. Isa siya sa mga tourist attractions sa rides. Tapos, yung pila namin doon, 2 oras.
Mukha talaga Radiator
So,
Springs.
okay lang to. Kaya yan. Kaya yan. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my God, ang tagal ng pila. Hulas na si girl. Hulas na. Tagal ng pila. Ha? Oh my God, kami na after 2 hours of waiting.
Almost 2 hours and 30, and then there are 20 people who cut the line who isn't even in the single path or lightning lane.
Tawag mo doon. Kung walang nanay.
Oo, na tayo na.
Okay, U217.
Okay, thank you.
U218.
7. Ay, nakaunahan tayo, girl. Nice. Is this even worth it? Sana worth it siya.
everybody tugging on the yellow tab. Tug on the yellow tab. My friend can tell me to go over your shoulder.
Parang na ano kayo enjoy siya. Sana 10 minutes to.
Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater! It's gonna be just sneak up on it. Hold your personal belongings. And as long as you're in my town, have a great
Okay, so may bago na naman kaming ride. Or this time, meron kaming Lightning Lane. This is the Monster Inc. ride. Chill lang siya. Kaysa dun sa inano namin na ride dun sa cars na sobrang haba. 2 hours kami dun, sinayang namin yung 2 hours namin for a 5-minute ride. Grabe. May pila again. Ang mga personas na ito ay papasok na tayo. Shopping, check muna natin yan. Check muna. Yun na sa labas. So check muna natin. Thank you, Lord.
Backpacks off, please. Backpacks off. Watch your step. Next party up to the gate.
Sige, sasaraduhan mo na ako. Sorry. Yeah. Let's go.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child throws me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Monster in disguise! Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. You got your charge and ready. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. The ammo out for this drive. Situation is
Hey, working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor. She'll never find her door now.
Look, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Still done? Oh, no. It's Lyman.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Security area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to tighter. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here.
Nothing to worry about, folks.
We
Just a standard decontamination.
Reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to Niner. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here. We should try to
Okay, so today, pagod-durs na. Pero, maghihintay pa kami ng ride. And then, Nagsha-shopping lang kami. Window
Masaya ka?
shopping. Hindi.
Ano,
Kasi
hindi ka-
pagod na ako.
Do they have
Masaya
frozen
ka
banana?
kanina.
Let's ask if they have frozen banana.
They have frozen banana.
So none of this?
No. Except for this one. That one.
There we go. Just this.
Yeah. Sa Rodeo Drive. Ah!
Ano?
Yan nata yung dream job ko dati, puro drawing lang. Ngayon ayaw ko niyan. 24 hours, ganun ka lang sa kamay mo.
What's that thing? Sadly, this is gonna be our last ride. Kasi pagod na ang mga persones.
Nakapunta na tayo sa Disney.
Sabi na eh, doon talaga sa Disneyland talaga dapat tayo. Okay, that was a good ride. Uwi na kami. Kakain muna pero uwi na. Dadaan muna kami sa souvenir shop na malaki. Asim. Asim. Okay. Bago kumain, World of Disney muna. Sana. Oh my God. Why didn't we go here kanina? Okay, I still have budget naman siguro. I have budget.
Ano yung World of
I have budget. Ang laki niya talaga. As in, ang laki niya. Wait ka lang. I'm trying to look for the bag that I really want. Meron ba? Meron ba sila dito? Sobrang laki niya. Imposible wala silang bag na gusto ko. Ayun.